Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring safety and basic controls. Turn the breaker off, verify with a non-contact tester, and confirm the thermostat is set to cool at least 2 degrees below room temperature. Once done, swap batteries and set fan to auto. Next, remove the filter and inspect for dust. A clogged filter reduces airflow and can trip the system. Replace with a correctly sized filter if it's more than 1/4 blocked. This simple step often restores normal operation. Once indoor checks are done, move outside and examine the condenser. Clear 2 to 3 feet of debris so airflow isn't restricted, and gently straighten bent fins to improve heat exchange. Make sure the condenser fan spins freely. If it stalls, the start capacitor is a common culprit. You can test it with a multimeter or note humming without rotation. If the compressor hums but won't run, give the system a 5-minute rest and try a hard reset at the breaker. That can revive a stuck relay. Finish by confirming the system cycles and cools under load. Reset the breaker, set the thermostat to run, and observe for 15 to 20 minutes. You should see steady airflow and a 15 degrees to 20 degrees drop across the evaporator. Watch for ice, hissing, or oil marks. Those signal refrigerant issues. Never attempt to vent or top up refrigerant without certification. If cooling doesn't improve, call a certified technician for leak detection or compressor work. Tip: if the
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.